In Canto, you can customize your default view to show your favorite album, folder, or smart album of assets. If you're a video-centric team, for example, you might prefer to show the video files when you first log in. The default view in Canto will show everything, but you can change that as well. Let's look at how to do it. I'm going to go to the settings and then click on configuration options, and then go to the defaults on the left side. This menu allows us to change what media will show by default to the users of our Canto library. Let's try this out by clicking on the Video Smart Album option. I'll go ahead and click on Save to lock in my changes. Now, in a separate tab, I'm going to reopen my Canto library, and you can see that the default view now shows the Video Smart Album. That's basically only the videos in my library. Now, of course, my other files are still safe and sound, and we could browse to them. I could click on All Files at the top to switch back and see everything, for example. This only changes the default view that users first see when logging in. You could apply this option for an Images Smart Album and view only your digital images, an Audio Smart Album for sound files, documents for files like PDFs, presentations, or all other files. Each of these are a great way to really help your team hone in on the files that they work with the most. Finally, let's look at a helpful option to point your Canto users to specific files regardless of what file type they contain. Let's try the last option, choosing a specific folder or album. I'll tick this last option and then click on Select. The menu that pops up allows us to select a folder which contains several albums or a specific album. I'll select an album here in the library. Now I'll return back to my Canto instance again, and you can see that we're now focused on that specific album of files. When you have seasonal campaigns or focus areas, it's a great idea to set one of these as the defaults so that they're front and center. Use these defaults to give your teams focus on the files that are most meaningful to them. Thanks for watching.